Hey, I just wanted to drop into your feed to talk about my Christmas ebook that I'm releasing. It's full of local produce and products from Perth and just the growing regions around. I thought I'd try and entice you first of all with a cocktail recipe that's going to be in the book. I'm not going to give you all the measurements today because that's boring, but I'll just show you how it works. Basically, it's great to have something on hand that you can just set up and then pour as the guests arrive. So I've called this cocktail the Big Easy. It is limoncello, basil, and a gorgeous pet nat, which is named Frio, which is completely appropriate, seeing as that's where I live and love. So I'll just show you how to put it together and talk you through. So first of all, I've thrown ice in glasses, so we're ready to go. And then I'm just going to use fingers, sorry. I'm a little bit rude like that. Pop the lemon in, pop in a couple of raspberries. Do that beforehand. You can kind of set it up when you know people are going to arrive. Lots of basil, and then we will go limoncello. You should probably be measuring, but we'll do that another time. We're also having a little bit of this basil infused sugar syrup, so it's just got a nice herbaceous taste, and probably about half as much as the limoncello because you don't want the cocktail to be too sweet. And then we are putting in some fresh lemon juice, which will just make it a little bit sharper. And then the reason I've put in the Frio Pet Nat, which is actually made by La Violetta in Denmark and also in conjunction with Old Bridge Cellars, who are a fabulous bottle shop near us, is because it's got a beautiful sour finish and it's a naturally fermented wine. You are absolutely able to swap it out with a sparkling white if you want. And this one is great, $15, Old Bridge Cellars again, plug, plug, plug. So yeah, just top it up with that. And just so you're not knocking everybody's socks off too early in the day, I'm also putting in a little bit of sparkling mineral water. And then you have a gorgeous, refreshing cocktail that should keep everybody happy. And it's just a nice, refreshing, festive way to start. Just to let you know, the only difference between a pet nat and a champagne is that a pet nat goes through a single ferment and a champagne will go through a double ferment. They'll just put a bit of sugar in the bottle after the first ferment and then it ferments again. So this will only keep 1 to 3 years. Champagne is kind of, you know, you can drink it for years and years to come. So this is a buy it, drink it now kind of beverage. And hopefully you drink lots of it over the festive season. And you can find the link to sign up to get information about my ebook in my Instagram and Facebook feed. All right, I hope you enjoy the cocktail.